Hello, hello, hello. Light and love, welcome back. You are listening to Karen Ray Queen Little, also known as Dr. Ray, your holistic healer. And today we're talking about breast cysts or fibrocystic breast disease. If you are experiencing breast tenderness, or if you've noticed any lumps on your breast, or maybe you have experienced some itchiness around your areola and your nipples, perhaps you have fibrocystic breast disease or just breast cyst. So very quickly, I'm going to tell you about what are breast cysts, what is the breast cyst diet, and how do and which vitamins and herbal supplements combat breast disease. Now, with breast disease, they are benign but painful lumps that characterize the most common form of non-cancerous breast disease. Fibrocystic breast disease is a non-cancerous disease. This condition affects 1 in 5 women who are typically in their 30s and 40s. Breast cysts tend to subside after menopause, but because of our menstrual cycles, the breast tissue becomes very sensitive to hormonal changes. Normally, fluid from the breast tissue is collected and transported out of the breast by way of the lymphatic system. If there is more fluid than can be handled by the lymphatic system, then the breast tissue may fill with this fluid and form little cysts. Now, although cysts in and of themselves are not considered dangerous, they make it difficult to detect possible cancerous lumps. Some main symptoms of breast disease include breast tenderness, discomfort, pain, swelling, the appearance of lumps on the skin, the feeling of heaviness, itchiness, itchy nipples, itchy areolas, itchy breast, increased nipple sensitivity, and the symptoms could be mild to very severe, and they tend to get worse before and during menstrual cycle. So, is there a diet for breast health? Of course, there's a diet for breast health. There is a diet for everything to help reverse or control any condition that you can think of. So, what you have to do then is concentrate on low fat, high fiber foods with lots of raw foods, seeds, nuts, and grains. Use olive oil in the place of saturated fats. Get rid of your vegetable oil and your canola oil. Let's use olive oil. Fresh bananas, apples, grapes, and grapefruit, and fresh vegetables are all good things to include in your breast diet. Iodine. Iodine helps reduce the formation of breast lumps. You can find iodine in fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. Okay, then we're going to go on to cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Those all contain a class of indoles. Indoles work together to protect breast tissue from excess estrogen. So you want to make sure you have plenty of the cruciferous vegetables. Garlics, onions, and shiitake mushrooms are natural and highly effective immune boosters that keep your entire system operating optimally. So you want to just include that, period. Avoid alcohol. Also refrain from drinking coffee, tea, and other caffeinated foods and beverages. Keep that to a minimum. Cut down on your dairy products and your animal meats and those hydrogenated fats that you can find in margarine and fried foods. Stay away from it. Eliminate or reduce salt, sugar, and white flour. White sugar, white salt, and white flour, they are all enemies to breast health. Now, there are several supplements that you can take to help speed the shrinking of breast cysts. The first one is vitamin E. Vitamin E protects breast tissue because it is high in antioxidant, and its antioxidant ability helps to keep hormones in balance. If you're going to take a vitamin E supplement, you want to take between 800 and 1200 IUs daily. And then there's vitamin A. Vitamin D chases out damaging molecules caused by free radicals. in the breast tissue specifically. Studies have shown that it has the ability to reduce breast pain. So take your vitamin A. If you're going to take it, take 10,000 IUs daily. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's not. Calm down. And then let's see. What else do we have? We're going to talk about isoflavones, which have the ability to protect breast tissue from the formation of tumors. And so you want to take between 20 and 40 milligrams a day. And then indoles, as I mentioned earlier, these are the cyst and tumor fighting phytochemicals that you find in foods, but you can also get it in capsule form. So you find this in the cruciferous vegetables and some other things, but most of us aren't eating properly, so just get the supplement if you happen to be one of those people. And then let's talk about some herbal remedies, and then I will let you go. Go to the health food store. The first one is evening primrose. Now, this is an oil that contains fatty acids that have natural anti-prostaglandin properties, which may help reduce breast lumps. Take between 1,500 milligrams 2 times a day. Take 1,500 milligrams 2 times a day. And then we have chasteberry, which boosts progesterone production, helping to correct the estrogen and progesterone imbalances. Black cohosh is excellent. It reduces the fluctuation of estrogen and the influence the fluctuations have on the breast. Black cohosh is credited with regulating hormones. It's the wonder herb. So take between 500 milligrams and 600 milligrams 1 to 3 times a day. And then saw palmetto, which is used for so many different things, and I love it. This herb has a significant anti-inflammatory effect that helps reduce inflammation of the breast. It helps to regulate estrogen, and it helps to regulate the influence estrogen has on the breast. Take between 160 milligrams and 180 milligrams 2 times a day. Now, you want to make sure you check your breast regularly, and if you notice a small lump that comes around the time of your period but tends to disappear, it's probably just a benign cyst. However, if you notice breast lumps that are hard and tend to stick around, then I would suggest seeing your doctor to make sure it's not cancerous. Okay? For more information, you can visit my website at drray.com, and I would love to help you out with any more information you need regarding this and any other health ailment. As always, the best in health.